Hi guys, welcome to my channel Yoga by Raha. I'm Raha. I fell in love with yoga during my travels to India, so I started practicing as soon as I got back home to San Francisco at the time, and then kept on practicing later in LA, and I finally got my yoga teacher's license at a studio, All Yoga, in Brooklyn, New York. I recently moved to South Germany, but I would love for you to join me as we spread love, yoga, and health across the globe. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till next video. Namaste.